Hello friends, myself Amol Nalaude. I am graphologist, NLP practitioners, and from last 30 years I am guiding, helping the student to choose the right career options after 10th. I am also the guest speaker for the renowned newspaper Sakal. I am international certified career coach. So student, right now you are given the 10th standard exam and you are little bit confused where to go, science, commerce, arts, diploma, ITI, or go for the other professional courses. So in my coming workshop I am going to help out to choose the right career. You are little bit confused because of in a market there are many career options are available. So in my workshop I am guide you. So what is the career, then which are the 6 steps we are going to follow, and you will get the right career options. Also we will discuss about the various college in the Mumbai and integrated, non-integrated pattern. I will give you the answer of your all question. So register yourself, address, date and time is given below.